Good morning, Agastyans. How are you all? I wish you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to learn use of and. We know that the English alphabet consists 26 letters in all. 26. And vowels are 5. And which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And rest of all are consonant, and these are 21 in numbers. Do you remember, students? In previous video we have learnt we use A before the singular number and the word begins with consonant. And now we have learnt N. We use it before singular number but the word begins with vowel. Now I will show you some pictures and try to read them. An ant. An arrow. An iron. An onion. An urn. An eggplant. So dear students, here we have seen these pictures and their name begins with vowel. That's why we have used an before their name. Dear students, we use an before the word that starts with an vowel. Let's revise it from Tinker Book. An apple. An X. An ape. An egg. An elephant. An eagle. An igloo. An inkpot. An ice cream. An orange. An ostrich. An omelette. An umpire. An umbrella bird. An umbrella. So students, here we have seen the all pictures name are begins with vowels. So we have used an before the word. So dear students, you also do the practice of use of an from your book. Thank you.